So we're going to begin with some basic definitions, and we're going to establish some things like evidentially, kind of like a court of law, to where each of the listening audience can adjudicate the entire thing for themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to present this like a case in a court. And what you do in a courtroom is you get the testimony of the witnesses, and then you present whatever documentation you have or whatever evidence you have, and the evidence that you present should support, the testimony of the witness, and that's what the judge looks at, and he adjudicates it based on the testimony and the information. That's what happens in a court of law. And so the most important thing we can do is to go ahead and begin like a court record, because once it goes into the record as part of the evidence, then it's not, you can't retract it. It's part of the evidence. You've already said it. You've already presented the document. You can't say, oh, wait. I didn't want to produce that. I give that back. That's not the way it works. So what you do is, let's go ahead and get the testimonies done. And I need to give you guys a testimony, of the night I got saved. And I'm going to make it a quick testimony. If anyone wants to go look at it, you can go look at it, watch it on YouTube. And then I need to give you another quick testimony about a situation that happened at Starbucks, which is so supernatural that it has to be made part of the court record. You have to understand. Also, one thing that we have to do is we have to establish some facts, and one of those facts is that the Bible is the inerrant Word of God. It is without error in any way, shape, or form. And so, that being said, the Bible itself is the Word of God, and we know that, if we establish what that is, we can go to the Gospel of John and establish that in the beginning there was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. In the beginning there was the Word, and that it became flesh. And so the Word that became flesh is what this is really all about. Jesus Christ is the Word, and the Word became flesh, and the definition for that, if you look at the translation from English to Greek, it's logos. The logos became flesh. So Jesus Christ equals logos. Let's establish that. In the beginning there was the logos, and the logos was with God, and the logos was God. So God equals the Word, the logos, no matter what. That is irrefutable according to the text. That's it.